Hi guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Pro 16-inch 2021 and the chip is M1 Max. The RAM is 64 gigabyte and you can see the display is 16-inch. The storage is 512 gigabyte. And okay, this is the CPU information. The CPU 10 cores, 8 core performance and 2 efficiency cores. And let me show you the graphics, 24 cores the graphics, and this is the battery information. The cycle count is 75 and the capacity is 97%. Okay, you can see the screen, no problem. And let me show you the screen. Okay, the space, the gray color, you can see the display, no problem. 60-inch display, no problem. And you can see this is space gray color. Okay, here is a little bit dirty here. This is the overall good condition. And you can see the top cover a little bit dirty here. The top cover, no problem. Oh, here is a little scratch here, and no problem. Let me show you the back cover, a little bit dirty here. You can see here a little bit a minor scratch here, you can see, and maybe not clear. Now let me show you. Okay, you can see this minor scratch. Okay, and let me show you the charging port. The charging port, you can see the charging port, no scratches here, no problem. Oh, minor scratch, you can see here, a little bit scratch. Okay, here no problem. The ports, okay, no problem, no scratches. Okay, this is the 60-inch M1 Max, 64 gigabyte and 512 gigabyte. Let me show you one more time the specification. This is M1 Max, 64 gigabyte and 512. Okay, this is the the battery. Okay, 75, 97%. Okay, if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about this high-end machine. Okay, you can see the backlight, the keyboard backlight, no problem. And this is a beautiful machine, very powerful. Okay, I'm Matt. See you in the next video.